Hi, this is Coach Lindsey.
And Coach Amelia. This is video number 2 of our at-home gymnastics series. And in this video, we're going to show you how to make a routine at home. And we're going to give you a couple of skills that are safe to do at home and in order that you can do it in, and then you get to show off your routine. Hope you have fun.
Here goes.
Okay guys, so starting your routine, the first thing that you have to do is do a nice salute with a big smile, and then you're going to have a starting pose. I'm going to show you a pose that I have. You guys need to be as creative as you want, so pick anything that comes to mind. So you're going to start in a nice pose, and then our first skill is a turn. I'm going to show you a couple of different turns that you can choose from. First one is a pivot turn. So you step in releve, lock so your feet are together, and then you're going to turn and step lock. Another turn you can choose from is a heel snap turn. I'm going to show it in coupe. So toe is at my ankle, holding a nice big beach ball, and I'm going to lift my heel and turn. And the last turn I'm going to show you is a toe turn. I'm going to do it in passe, so my toe is at my knee. My knee is even with my hip, and my arms are going to be up in crown. So when I step into it, I'm going to hit that position and turn and plie pivot. Coming out of that skill is going to be a moving pose. So this is any pose that you want to create, and it's going to have movement into it when you are going into that pose. So just finishing my toe turn, and then I'm going to be moving into my next pose. From here, we're going to do our jump. I'm going to show you guys a couple of jumps you can do at home. First one's a tuck jump. My knees are going to go up to my belly. I'm not going to kick my feet to my bum. So my arms are going to come up. I'm going to tuck and finish. The next jump that we can also choose is a straddle jump. So going up here, jumping, and a finish. And our third jump is a split jump. So nice tight legs. It's about being tight, not about height. So arms coming up, down, split, and finish. So from our jump, you're going to transition into your floor pose. So from a finish, you can go down to a knee lunge and do anything with your arms, or you can go all the way down to the floor and do a pose. And then coming up from your floor pose, you're going to do your leap. So when you're standing up, stepping with your funny foot and doing a nice big leap onto your good foot, and you want to try to hold the scale and find your balance. Out of your leap, you're going to do a skill. So we don't always recommend doing gymnastics at home, but obviously in a situation we have to because we missed it. So a couple of skills that are safe to do at home are a lever. So a nice big lunge, arms by your ears. You hit a nice T shape when your arms go down, lifting your back legs. Hands go down, leg comes up, and passing through those shapes. Also your handstand, arms come down, kick up to a handstand, hitting that T shape and a nice finish. And then of course your cartwheel, starting in a nice big lunge, hand, hand, foot, foot, nice tall finish. So you can pick any of those skills to make your routine. And then when you land that skill, your ending pose. And that can be anything that's standing tall, anything that goes down. It's however much pizzazz you want to add. And then of course, just how we started, a nice big salute at the end. Have fun!